For over 30 years, Future Biotics has been dedicated to carefully designing and manufacturing premium supplements based on the latest science and research for overall wellness. From the very beginning in 1984, we have been committed to creating a healthier future by helping our customers lead healthier lives through better nutrition. After all of these years, our commitment has never changed. Our extensive line is scientifically designed to offer a wide range of products to address a variety of health concerns to cater to all consumers. Many of our supplements are 100% vegetarian, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free, and USDA certified organic. Through our GMP-certified facility that is FDA registered and inspected, Future Biotics provides superior products that are put through a rigorous process to ensure purity and potency. Our comprehensive and meticulous commitment to our product's integrity guarantees that you can be absolutely confident that when you choose a Future Biotics item for yourself and your loved ones, that you are selecting the very best our industry has to offer. From our best-selling beauty vitamins to our premium condition-specific and basic nutritional supplements, you can feel confident that Future Biotics promises to ensure trust in our products to support your health today, tomorrow, and for a lifetime.